This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the YouTube TV account that actually pays the bill. This matters because payment lives with that profile. Once signed in, click your avatar, choose Settings, then Membership and Billing to reach payment options. Have your new card number, expiration, CVV, and billing ZIP handy so you won't pause mid-update. This saves time and prevents verification failures, and it lets you immediately proceed to change or add a payment method without re-entering account credentials. Now, select Manage Payment Method to see what's active. This screen lets you add, edit, or remove methods. If you choose Add Payment Method, enter the card or select PayPal and follow the on-screen authorization prompts. For cards, type number, expiration, CVV, and billing address exactly. If editing, update fields and save. YouTube TV will often re-verify with a small authorization. Make sure the billing address matches your bank record, because mismatches commonly cause declines. Finish by saving and confirming which payment method is set as default. YouTube TV bills the default account immediately on renewal, so verify right away. If a charge fails, first check your card's expiration, daily limits, fraud blocks, and billing address. These are the usual culprits. Once done, wait a few minutes for authorizations to clear, and if problems persist, contact your bank to lift blocks or YouTube TV support to view error logs, because they can see the specific authorization response and guide the final fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.